All right, what's up, everybody? So this video is going to take you through how to run a Pearson's correlational test through SPSS. Now, remember that for Pearson's correlation, we are going to identify two interval or ratio variables. They should not be nominal or ordinal variables. So make sure you're only identifying the scale variables. I'm going to be repeating the same analysis that I used to highlight how to create a results paragraph for Pearson's correlation in the PowerPoint. So I'll be using the two variables age and work. The first thing we'll do is come up to analyze. We want to get our frequency distributions out there. So analyze descriptive statistics frequencies. We're going to place age and work into this variables window. Remember that since I'm demonstrating this test using these two variables in this particular combination, you shouldn't be doing the same thing for your assignment. However, you are welcome to still use age or work variables in separate analyses. We'll then come up to statistics. We're going to ask for the mean, median, and mode, standard deviation, variance. We're doing that as a matter of making sure we maintain that habit. We'll click OK. Got some other tests that popped up for a moment there, but here we have the statistics for the age variable, statistics for the work variable. Notice that with the age variable, I'm going to highlight that our youngest person is 12, our oldest person is 60, and I want to emphasize that because in the paragraph for Pearson's correlation, you do want to incorporate the range of values. Here for work, we have people who are working 0 hours in a week all the way up to 60 hours in a week. So again, make sure you're highlighting that as far as the ranges for your variables. So the next thing we're going to do is the actual correlation test. So we'll come up to analyze. We'll come down to where it says correlate. We're actually going to select the bivariate button. All right, bivariate by itself, not bivariate with confidence intervals. Selecting bivariate will bring you this pop-up window. It's asking you to place your two variables into the variable window. So I'm going to put age over there, and then I'll put work. We want to keep this Pearson's correlation coefficient selected. As I mentioned, there are other types of tests, but we're going to keep Pearson's. We are doing a two-tail, so that default is fine. Select the options, and you want to select means and standard deviations such that when it produces the results for your correlational test, you also have the mean and standard deviation immediately available for your write-up. Click continue, then click OK. And here we have the results. Now, I don't have any kind of tool, unfortunately, to highlight. However, please keep in mind that all of the information you're using from this correlation table is going to be found under this work area. These Pearson correlation 0.10, sig2tailed, our significance value 0.001, and our n is 1008, which we would subtract 2 from for our degrees of freedom. So that's it. That's all that's required for you to be able to, move through being able to complete your correlation assignment. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.